Hello friends, hope you're having a great day. This is my second time recording this video. I always like to do my unboxing videos as a surprise for both myself and you. But this time my microphone decided to die on me. So when I went downstairs and was getting ready to, upload everything, there was no sound. So I had to record 3 videos over again today, and this was one of them. And it is my FABFITFUN. I think the box is fabulous, and again, this is my second time I have partnered with FABFITFUN, and it's just a great subscription box that comes seasonal, so it's 4 times a year, and it is $49.99 per quarter or per season. And the box values is over $200 always. And if it's your first time ordering with them, you can use my code Tammy and you will get $10 off. So you get your first seasonal box for $39.99. We're going into spring, so it's going to be focused around things we would do in the spring. And some of us do year-round, but And the box is customizable. If you are a member, you can customize your box. They will give you a page, show you all the things that are available, and tell you the ones that you get to pick from. So it's really a nice box that you can even customize. I think this box makes a great gift for people. Even if the box isn't for you, but you have people in your family you think would like something like this, or you have a gift, a birthday that falls around the time this subscription is to be delivered, and it's within the budget that you spend on somebody, you could give this spring box to somebody whose birthday is in the spring, and then each seasonal box, if you have somebody, you could give them away as a gift. It's just these boxes are really great. And it said it's more than just a box. In addition to the box, members, you gain access to their member-only flash sales called add-ons. And members also receive access to on-demand videos from FABFITFUN TV, exclusive content from experts like Venus Williams, Jada De Laurentiis, Jillian Michaels, and so many more. And you get to access any of these videos free with your membership, and the company supports female companies and charities. So it's really a great box, and like I said, first time ordering, you get $10 off with my code. So as I said, I'm really bummed that you're not seeing my first impression. Maybe I'll do a side-by-side so you can really see, because some of the things were really exciting. But anyway, this is the box, and they will feature in their little magazine about the artist who, created this box. And everyone is themed, like this is spring, so it's all bright and cheery for spring. Winter had a winter feel to it, and then the other seasonal boxes will do the same thing. So the first thing that I had pulled out was a jump rope from Venus Williams, and it will tell you inside this little magazine, let me get to the page, it tells you exactly, where is it? Here it is. It tells you the dollar value of any of the items that are in your box, so you know how much you have saved. I mean, each box can go anywhere from $226.99 to $314, and again, you're paying $49.99 per season. Okay, so the first item is a jump rope from Venus Williams. She must have her own line called 11. It's a jump rope, and it's a very nice jump rope. I have a jump rope, and I don't really know how to jump rope really well, but it's a great cardiovascular workout. So, jump rope, very nice. Even if you don't jump rope and you have a grandchild that jump ropes, there you go, you got a jump rope. And then I pulled out this Sip by Swell. It's an insulated to keep your drinks hot or cold, 15 ounce. I love these bottles. They really do work. I have these bottles and I use them. I take them in my car, whether I'm in New York or Florida, and they stay cold. It doesn't matter if it's 90 degrees out or if you have something hot in there and it's 20 below, it still keeps your drink hot or cold. I love these, absolutely love them. And then this I have gotten in a different subscription box, not this particular product, but I have gotten this brand before in the eye cream and the face lotion, and I've liked both of them. Matter of fact, Louis is using the eye cream in this one. because I have so many things, he sometimes helps me use them up. I tell him to, so I can see how they work. I use them, and then when I want to try something else, I say, okay, Louie, try this one for me. And he's a good sport. He does. But anyway, it's the brand Lavido. And this right here is a Mandarin Orange Bergamot body lotion. And when I tested it earlier, it really smells nice. The first time I did the video, but I'm going to do it again. It's just a nice white lotion, and it has a really pretty smell to it. One that's you can put all over your body and not worry about. You don't need any perfume with this. It has such a pretty scent, but it's subtle. It's not overpowering. Some body lotions, I can't put them on my neck area or anything because they give me a headache. They're just so nauseating. But this is very clean and fresh. And then in there, and I was very excited about this, is that Way brand, and this is their leave-in conditioner. This is a full size of this. I can't wait to try this. So I was very excited about that. And then I pulled these out. They're Way Australia, you know, the sunglasses. You see tons of people on YouTube with these. And I just thought they were so awesome. And when I first tried them on, I said, oh world, here I come. I look like Hollywood. But I just think they're fabulous. And they're nice. They have a nice feel on them. And, you know, tons of people I know are getting these sunglasses on YouTube, and they have tons of different styles. So I was really excited about that. And then there's this nice little backpack that you put everything in that you might want to go to, you know, the spa or the gym or the beach, whatever, or just to your office. You could do anything with this. You can throw all this stuff right back in your bag and just be on your way to get in your car, and you have everything and you just have it all together. And then it's a backpack, and it is canvas and vinyl, and I just think it's fabulous. So, and in this box you also get $50 gift card off of HelloFresh, and it is $25 off your first 2 deliveries, and that also includes free shipping. Okay? You also will receive a full size of the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. This is the Depuffing Eye Gel by Dr. Brandt, full size, and you will also get in this. If you select these items, this is what I got from in my box. I didn't select, they selected for me. And the last item in my box is Relax. It's a champagne charcoal scrub, exfoliant champagne. It's by Mana Kadar, and it is a charcoal. I opened it up. It's a charcoal scrub. You know I love scrubs. It has a really nice smell to it, and the exfoliant, it appears to be in my hand, just a little bit that got on. Really fine grains, so it's not going to be too rough. It'll be a nice exfoliant. So I will get back to you on all of this, and of course we all know I have very puffy eyelids, so I will get back to you on this also. All right, that's it for me today. I'd like to thank FABFITFUN again for partnering with me. I will put everything below that you need to know to get your $10 off your first purchase. The code is Tammy, but again, we'll put that below for you. And let us know in the comments if you've been getting and enjoying your FABFITFUN box. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell so that you're notified every time I put out a video, and go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.